Hey, I've got a mind reading trick that I bet if I taught you within about 2 minutes, you could do it and find somebody's card in less than 5 seconds. Are you ready? So here we go. All right, so I have a deck of cards, which I'm going to take and start dropping cards. And again, if somebody was here in the audience, I'd have them pick, and again, any number they want to stop at. It's a free choice. Stop. Okay, so this is the card we want to find, okay? All right, so memorize it. And again, I don't know it. I'm not looking in a mirror. I'm not looking in the camera reflection. Just a great trick. Okay, there we go. All right. So then I spread them out like this, and I'm just going to take the card and bury it, okay? And then we'll put those cards on the bottom, the cards that we dropped off the top of the packet, okay? All right. Then to make it even harder, because we know that card's probably somewhere toward the middle right now. So I'm going to give it cuts in different areas. So we'll change it, mix it up. So there's no way I have any idea what's going on here. All right, now, I'll do a little bit of magic. And I've got to find your card in less than 5 seconds. Are you ready? Here we go. Your card was the 10 of hearts. Hope you liked the trick. Thank you very much. All right, so this is a fun trick. It's one of the funnest tricks I've ever done. It was one of the earliest tricks I've ever done, and I promise this could be the first trick you ever do because it's so simple. In 2 minutes, anybody can do this trick, okay? So let me show you how it works. You've probably seen some tricks like this before. But again, if you don't know magic, this fools everybody who doesn't. You know, if you don't really know what's going on, nobody knows what's going on. But basically, the setup is all red on one side and all black on the other side, okay? It's that simple. So when you take a red card, and again, you can only go to 25 because if you go past that, you're in the black, okay? We don't want that. So people are going to pick 7, 12, 14, something like that. I've never seen anybody go past 20. So that's probably not going to happen, but I'll show you what to do if they do that. But then you're going to end up putting the card down here, so the red will be in here, okay? So let's do it, because that doesn't make sense probably at all, okay? So then when I start dropping cards, I'm just dropping from the red side, okay? So you're going to be guaranteed a red card. So you go like this, again, free choice, and they could stop right here if they wanted to, okay? But let's just continue on. So they can go, let's see, we're getting to 12, 13, 14 now. Right here, you might start slowing down and go, all right, pick a card, any card, stop. Because again, right now we are within a few cards of black, okay? So just slow down and they'll pick a card, okay? All right, then obviously I'd look at the card. I wouldn't look at the card and the trick yet. I don't need to. This is such an easy, simple beginner's card trick, but it's awesome. You don't need to cheat, okay? So it's the 6 of diamonds. So then what I do is I go like this, and what I've done is, you know, there's 26 black cards down here. Oh, wait. That sounds kind of neat. So there's 26, so somewhere around here is where the red and black meet up. So I'll just go down here somewhere, okay? So, you know, maybe around 12. You don't want to go to the very end. That doesn't look very good, but something like that looks pretty good. And then this even adds to the effect, putting it in the middle. So then you go, all right. So that card is somewhere in the middle of this deck, but I'm going to challenge myself even more. I'm going to cut it. And now cutting, all it does is change the starting point. Which cards would be at the end of the, you know, at the deck. So this card or this card. That's all it does. It just changes which ending cards there are. But the order will stay the same, and I'll show you that in a moment, okay? All right, so you cut them several times. Do a little bit of magic. And then what I'm doing is, again, less than 5 seconds, what I'm doing is I'm just going through real fast, and I've got so many reds, I can take that out in a second and a half, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and there it is. It's in the middle. So let me spread it out. So, but again, you can find it probably in less than 3 seconds, but give yourself 5 just in case. But there it is. It's so simple to find between those cards. Again, I hope there's not a bad reflection today, but that's how simple the trick is. So I hope you like the trick and the tutorial. Thank you for your support, and I hope you have a great day.